Alright guys, it's Tuesday, webinar day. If you're not yet registered, please do it so, alright? Easy as lemon squeezy, as how they say, something like that, right? So just go in the description of this video, go to the ACY link or webinar registration link, and then you're gonna go to the website and you can register yourself. No costs. Nothing involved, just your email, so then you can receive the invitation link, otherwise you can't sort of join. And yeah, so let's get to it. I want to talk about gold. All right, we've seen gold reaching all-time highs on 8th of March 2024, and then after a week, after a few days, we've seen it reaching again on the 23 of March 2024. So in a very short period of time, less than 10 days, we've seen gold reaching one all-time high and then another all-time high. What is this showing to me? It's basically there is a lot of inflow going through gold at the moment. And why is that happening? Well, picture yourself as a big investor or as a fund manager, a pension fund manager or something like that that involves big money management sort of structure-wise. You look to one side, you have one central banking cutting the rates. That's the Swiss National Bank, just cut the 25 base points. Unpredictable last week on Thursday, all right? Then you look to the other side, you have Fed predicting 3 cuts. They have already stated 3 cuts this year. All right, so 25 and then a pause, and then 25, a pause, and December 25. Now, you look to your front, and then you have RBA and RBNZ holding the interest for a few, but they don't know what they're doing. All right, they are not ruling anything in and anything out. They actually say that on the last RBA statement. You can go and check here on our YouTube video. Subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up on this video, guys. Now, if you picture yourself doing these sort of things, all right, you look to one side, uncertainty. You look to another, decreasing rates. You look to another, will decrease rates this year most probably. Where would you put your money? What have been the most valuable asset, most valuable yielding curve since, we exist in the world? Has been gold. Gold has steady up moves every year. Very, very hard to gold closes a negative year. All right, very, very hard. Last year we started the year at 1,790 and we've closed the year at 2,000. All right, so very, very interesting how the things are going here. All right, very, very interesting. And we did have all-time highs last year as well. So my opinion to gold is why we have gold against the US dollar here, just making sure everything it's aligned. Why we have the central banks cutting the rates. The Fed haven't yet started, but they did make sure that they will cut 3 times this year, and the market is already pricing a cut for June. 25 base point cuts for June. All right, and then a pause and another cut, a pause and another cut. So once I have this situation on my hands, I look to gold and say, okay, I'd rather prefer to put my money in gold than in US dollars. So from now on, it is, we will continue to see gold hitting all-time highs and all-time highs and all-time highs. All-time highs and then a decrease and then again and then a decrease, and small pullbacks and going back and forth. That's normal. That's price action, normal price action. So in my opinion, we can go and reach 2,400 on gold most probably until the Q4 of this year. All right, starting to go Q4 of this year, we most probably will be on that scenario. Why? Because then the central bank from the Fed will have cut twice already. The US dollar will be weakening. The investors will be looking to inflow into gold, and as well most of the other economies, Europe, UK, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, will be looking to cut rates, if not have started yet on the half of this year. All right, so this is pretty much my take on gold. I keep a buy, I keep a long, I keep a bullish aspect on gold. If you want to know more about gold and this sort of approach I have to the market, then you're more than welcome to participate on my Telegram channel as well, that I post daily content. And actually look at what I've just posted today. This is the print screens. You can have a look, and you know, you could be there, you could be looking at those data every day as I'm posting with my analysis. So don't lose your time. Subscribe, sign in to our Telegram macro channel here down on the description. The link will be in there. It's free, public. All right. So guys, I see everyone tonight, and if you have any questions, please put down in the comment. And yeah, have all a great week ahead. Don't forget to register for the webinar. And yeah, have all a great week ahead, and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. See you guys. Bye bye.